Welcome to my channel. Why SAP systems are used. SAP, systems, applications, and products in data processing, is one of the world's leading ERP, enterprise resource planning, systems. Its main use is to integrate all business processes into one centralized system so that companies can manage their operations smoothly, reduce errors, save time, and make data-driven decisions. Detailed uses of SAP system with examples. 1. Business process integration. Use of business process integration. SAP connects all departments, finance, HR, sales, production, procurement, logistics, into one centralized system. Example. Suppose a customer places an order for a laptop. SAP SD, sales and distribution, records the order. SAP MM, materials management, checks whether all components are available. SAP PP, production planning, schedules production if stock is low. SAP FI, finance, creates the billing document. SAP WM, warehouse management, arranges shipping. Without SAP, these would need manual communication between departments, which leads to delays. 2. Financial management and accounting, FI & Co. Use of financial management and accounting, FI & Co. SAP manages a company's entire financial operations, transactions, reporting, compliance. Example. Accounts payable, receivable, automatically records customer invoices and vendor payments. Budgeting and controlling. SAP company helps analyze costs, like how much money is spent on marketing versus production. Compliance. Multinational companies like Coca-Cola use SAP FI to handle different countries' tax regulations. A global company can see real-time profits and losses across all branches with one click. 3. Supply chain and logistics, WM, SCM. Use of supply chain and logistics, WM, SCM. Manages the flow of goods, from raw materials to final product delivery. Example. Procurement. If a car factory needs 1,000 tires, SAP MM automatically creates a purchase order to the vendor. Warehouse. SAP WM tells workers exactly where the tires are stored inside the warehouse. Logistics. SAP SCM helps optimize routes so delivery trucks reach dealerships faster. Companies like Amazon and Walmart rely on SAP to manage millions of items in their warehouses. 4. Human resource management, HCM, success factors. Use of human resource management, HCM, success factors. Handles the complete employee lifecycle, recruitment, payroll, performance, and retirement. Example. HR posts a job right pointing arrow SAP stores applications. New employee joins right pointing arrow all personal, payroll, and benefits data are stored in SAP HCM. Monthly payroll is calculated automatically, with correct taxes. SAP SuccessFactors, Cloud Hour, helps global companies like Siemens manage employees across 100+ countries. Saves HR from doing manual salary and record management. 5. Sales and Customer Management, SD, CRM. Use Sales and Customer Management, SD, CRM. Automates the order-to-cash cycle and maintains customer relationships. Examples. Customer places an order for a car right pointing arrow SAP SD creates the sales order, shipping schedule, and invoice. SAP CRM records customer preferences and buying history. Companies like Mercedes-Benz use SAP to manage global dealership sales. This ensures better customer satisfaction and faster service. 6. Production and manufacturing, PP. Use of production and manufacturing, PP. Plans, schedules, and monitors the production process. Examples. BMW uses SAP PP to decide how many cars to manufacture each week. If demand increases, SAP automatically reschedules production orders and allocates resources. SAP checks whether enough steel, glass, and engines are available for production. This ensures zero production delays and reduces costs. 7. Data management and reporting, by BW, SAC. Use data management and reporting, by BW, SAC. Turns raw data into real-time reports and dashboards for decision-making. Examples. A bank using SAP BI can instantly generate reports on daily transactions and fraud detection. Retailers like IKEA analyze customer shopping trends to know which products sell best. SAP Analytics Cloud can even predict future demand using AI and ML. Managers don't have to wait for reports, they get live dashboards. 8. Project management, PS. Use of project management, PS, plans and monitors large-scale projects, construction, R&D. Examples: a construction company uses SAP PS to manage a new bridge project. Tracks budget, cement, steel, labor costs. Tracks milestones, foundation, pillars, finishing. Monitors delays and cost overruns. IT companies like Accenture use SAP PS to manage client projects and billing. Right finger projects stay within budget and on time. 9. Industry-specific solutions. SAP has solutions tailored for specific industries: healthcare, hospital patient management, banking, fraud detection and compliance, retail, POS, point of sale, integration, oil and gas, pipeline monitoring. Example: in healthcare, SAP tracks patient data, doctor schedules, and billing. In retail, SAP manages discount campaigns during festivals. Extra benefits of SAP: automation, reduces manual work. Standardization, global companies follow the same process everywhere. Scalability, small businesses to Fortune 500 companies can use SAP. Accuracy, real-time, error-free data. Profitability, helps businesses grow faster. End-to-end example, complete SAP flow. Imagine Nike launching a new shoe. Market research, SAP Analytics Cloud predicts high demand. Production planning, SAP PP schedules manufacturing in factories. Procurement, SAP orders raw materials, rubber, fabric. Warehouse and logistics, SAP stores finished shoes, SAP SCM arranges shipping. Sales and distribution, SAP SD manages customer orders and dealer invoices. Finance, SAP FI tracks profits, costs, and taxes. Hour, SAP HCM manages staff hiring for extra production. All this happens in one SAP system, seamlessly connected. And that's a complete breakdown of the uses of SAP system, from finance, supply chain, hour, and sales, to production, reporting, and even industry-specific solutions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech, business, and career insights. Speech Balloon, drop a comment below if you want me to cover any specific SAP module in detail, like SAP MM, SAP SD, or SAP FI.